All right, this is Selonie. Remember the 4th of March is... I'm not afraid of government. I'm afraid of the law.
And wait to go do. Him not in the crew. All right.
For me, I'm a picnic them, the man that I
Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. So let's get right into it.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on, it missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, empower all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me, how I have me not the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, curfew, badness. Me go have a skin. A berry does, man. Jesus Pim. I told you some time ago that Prime Minister Andrew Holness has, he moved the curfew from 10 p.m. to now 8 p.m. And it looked like some people are not enjoying it, along with the new measures that have been implemented. One such being the Tranquil Funeral Home that decided to keep a big repast with, must say, apparently over 200 persons there. Big party and festivities that are going on. Yes, sir, and not to be outdone now was this pastor now, she of our congregation, and so church not supposed to really keep now, you're only supposed to have gathering with 10 people, but this woman decided to say, yo, God said let she preach and preach she.
We are ready to go to prison. We are ready to die for Jesus. And if you want to stay at the lack of our mask, why are us worshiping God? He's all over the world. Hey! The Holy Ghost is against you. You leave out and give a chance to speak. You come back to the congregation. Do not speak to my congregation. You're responsible for down here. The Holy Ghost is come to the church.
No, I'm not lie, like honestly, so when she started pleading the blood, would I leave? Once she started to plead the blood, I would have left me and this woman. No, here all the woman a fight for Jesus, She, I said, Jesus give her all right and authority to be here. But God also kind of tell us if kind of use this. Let me know, Burritos, what do you think of this situation? Do you think that Jamaican people, we are just rebellions at heart? Rebellions. We are just rebellious at heart? What do you think? Sound off below. Number 9, bad artists. Me Picasso. Jesus. Burritos, I was supposed to put this thing on the countdown a couple weeks ago, but I totally forgot. But better late than never. So, once again, I'm just like, traversing pan social media land, and I saw this series of pictures. I do not know who the artist is, but this person kind of draw a lot of the entertainers that many of us might know. But looking at the pictures, it might take you a little while to figure out. Take a look. Whoa. Honestly, right about now, I'm not going to say anything because it could have been a 10-year-old I tried. It could have been a 10-year-old I tried and I try a thing and everybody just support this boy or girl. So I am not going to say anything because me I go just get to this like Jamaican style. He's a bad artist. The artist there, fully bad. Bad. That's it. Sound off below, Burritos. Which one did you think was the closest to being realistic? Sound off below. Alright, so Burritos, I have to go and introduce to you a brand new product on the market, and it is from Orion Manufacturers from Yala St. Thomas. Now, what the product name? The product is called Glory Smart Gel. Now, it is a cleaning agent, so all who know about the little scrubs in life, for kind of going and a little white them and get rid of all the little dirt, little scummage and them little saka something there. You want things to look refined and look like say you just done baptized and come out of the holy water. That is how you want your clothes to look, and that's how you want it to smell. And that's why I tell you right about now, go and get the Glory Smart Gel.
I'm glad I come out, come see for this.
Alright, so see it here right now, Burritos, Jesus Beam. Look how me I look on it. May I do it like some one of them look a makeup vlogger there. Jesus Beam. This is a Glory Smart Gel. Let me talk about the things them. Glory Smart Gel is a super concentrated liquid laundry detergent. One capful does an entire load of regular laundry. It is an effective stain remover and it brightens your clothing. The large 32-ounce retails for about 1,000 Jamaican dollars and the medium 16 ounce is around 600 GMD, and you can find it primarily in supermarkets across the island. Okay? Like General Foods, Lushusan, Shoppers Fair, all of them placed there. And people, you see the Glory Smart Gel, not only is it really good, it is also safe for your baby clothing. And for the people them like me who kind of have like allergies, easy for just like, achoo! Yeah, like it good for that too. So Burritos, yes, I start to try it. I'm not gonna lie, sometimes my white them not really 100% like all my white towel, and it kind of come through now. I can't chew it on the line right now, but yeah man, it really kind of work. Like Rwanda's kind of look like some just buy it, so it's a really good product. So I encourage you to go out and go get Glory Smart Gel. Okay. Number 8. Wait, woes. My word, my sentence. So Burritos, I saw this video on Twitter and it came from Garfield, and boy oh boy, all me have to say is that he spoke nothing but facts. Listen to how Jamaican people tend to talk about people when, them agree them when it comes to their weight.
You also don't know what the person might be going through, while they might be putting on weight or losing weight for that matter. So why do you think the onus is on you to bring it up to the person? I have a mirror, I can see it, I might be doing something about it, it might be taking me a longer time. And when you're gonna come and say that to me now, if I'm not a strong person, it can bring me in a deep, dark place. And what I'm trying to say to people is, skinny does not mean healthy. I was once skinny, I was once a stick. Was I the healthiest? No, I was not. Do I want to go back there? Absolutely not. But do I need you to come and police my body or police someone else's body? No. Focus on your own business, like stay in your own lane. I mean, I'm not saying this to be rude or anything, but if someone should come to me and say something to me, I'm going to be rude, because I just think I don't think it's something that's very nice, because again, you do not know the circumstances.
Did I lie? Did I lie?
No, honestly, this is just facts. I think we really need to do better, because boy, oh boy, you can't just assist somebody and your first thing to them is, what are we you get big and fat? So, Jesus Beam, like, especially if you're in a person close like that, you can't just make that be the first line where you utter out your mouth. I don't know what people are dealing with behind the scenes. Zine?
Love you, Natalia, my girlfriend. I love you, girl. I'll give you lots of flowers, girl.
Number 7, Queenie and Dewey. Me coconut drops. People actually say, one of social media's latest trending couples is Queenie, Lady Gangster, Miss Double Tap, and her her skinny, husband to be Dewey. The couple have been, touring Jamaica, taking lovely videos, and they even have a song together. The song actually sound bad. The song actually have a little vibe, Need to go and check it out. I can't remember the song now, but the song actually sound pretty cool.
Well, if I think I go for Queenie, one man alone, one between me.
And I'm going to show you this video when they visited Rocky Point on that plane that is very much still there. That clearly cannot be a crime scene anymore, because that is like Jamaica's new wonder. Burritos, more here from Uno. Are you here for this couple? Do you think that Queenie and Dewey are here to stay? Sound off below. Alright, so Burritos, I forgot to tell you about a brand new project by the artist Version. Now, him have an EP, and it is called Only One. Now, it's a six track EP. Now the entire EP, it come up to about 19 minutes. I'm gonna tell you people, like this seems to be Version trying to show that yo, he is going to be experimenting with the different genres. It sound like it. This sound like Version doing pop. It's a different sound to the artist, and it kind of give you a little insight as to where he wants to take his career musically. I want to give a little feel of the album, so I can't play everything in detail, but I'm giving a little preps at each song. So one of my favorite songs is actually Reality, and the album is the first song for the EP, only one.
You don't need Instagram filter. You look good in a reality.
And then you have Whisper.
Baby girl, I'm desperate in need, you know.
You have Stick By Me.
Need somebody that will stick by me.
You have Things featuring Busy. You have Shake It Up.
Shake up your bum bum. Shake.
And then you have Original Now, which is the last single on the EP. So yeah man, so that is the project only one from Version. Make sure you go and check it out and check out all the singles on every single streaming platform that you can think of, the Spotify, the Apple Music, the iTunes, all over where you can find this EP, only one. Number 6, Ding replies. Wow! Meg Gizada drops. Jeez, I'm peem. Alright, so, you know, on social media, this particular story took over, and it happens to, you know, follow the entire saga that went on with Ding Dong and one of his dancers, Silent Ravers, and it just like, you know, a whole entire mess. So if you don't know the story now, I'm not really get to jump into it right now because that need a whole entire countdown for itself. Just try to give you a rundown of it. So, you know, one of Ding Dong's dancers, Silent Ravers, was, you know, end up in a one little video with somebody that is known as Little Kev online, you know, a personality of sorts. And in that video, some little sexual stuff did go on and some little things did show, and it would have kind of put the dancer, you know, as the talk of the town because of it, you know, showing body parts and them little something there with somebody who might identify themselves as probably something other than a cisgendered woman. And so when the whole of that saga kind of take place, you know, like everybody had talked about it, video Sharon and all kind of things, and in the Rivers camp, everything was just pretty much silent up until, you know, a few days ago when Ding Dong finally put out some sort of statement and commented on the matter.
Answer that publicly because people gonna see it. You understand what I mean, brother? Because guess what got me now? Guess what got me now, Footer? And I can't talk to yo because sometimes when everything good feet good for talk, Footer. You hear me? I tell you. I just one
thing we want to know still.
Yeah.
If him in the crew or not, still. That's all.
And wait I go do. Him not in the crew. Alright, him not in the crew.
Good. Okay,
wait
thank you. Fair.
Him not in the crew. So you ever stop talking about it tomorrow? Him not in the crew.
Me not business. Me a talk about him without Ravers.
Footer, hold on. Him not in the crew. You ever stop talking about it tomorrow?
No, me a talk about Silent without Ravers. Who that?
I have to answer that publicly because people gonna see it. You understand what I mean, brother? Because guess what I mean now.
Okay, okay, alright. So I guess, you know, the dancer is not there, and you know that's quite understandably so, because I'm sure the dancer probably would never want another group see me because hey, that's some awkward time there. Given you know, that's some awkward time there. So that, I guess, is the statement is, I do not know what is going to happen next because, you know, like, hey, this person actually contributed to a dance in a group and it's just like a little messy scene. But Ding Dong, I mean, keep doing your thing, dancer, keep doing your thing, everybody just keep doing them thing because, hey, like, boy, this is just a whole entire messy situation. But Jamaicans, I feel like there are a whole heap of issues that need to be addressed, and I don't think the country wants to address those issues. So these things will keep popping up time and time again. Number 5, Rihanna buses. Me on the replay. So the Bajan superstar, pop star Rihanna, only knows that she is just a big fan of Popcaan. Recently, the singer actually, you know, put Popcaan in her tag, on her caption, on her Instagram page, going out to her millions of followers, and she is just somebody like really and truly. Rihanna is Jamaican. When they talk about it sometime on the countdown, Rihanna is Jamaican. Like, she really got hard for us right about now. Like, honestly, we just need for us like adapar and just remind her that she is one of us. Nothing else. You're not Bajan again, Rihanna. You are fully Jamaican. So, you know, once again, she's really showing up her red, green and gold, Jesus Peem, her black, green and gold colors by singing a part of this popular Popcaan song, Pre.
I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner. So happy to see me, happy to just a friend. Me not like me love me family, but me not just see all of them. All of them might come up, but that's how me feel. Big up,
Get me cousin.
Some of them hot, filled with grudge. My thoughts are the red, left side, some my heart clean, filled with love and the meditation.
It's so hard to trust your enemy, hard to trust your friend. Trust your friend. Mama used to tell me, friends no good for you. Boy, Spice, I love Rihanna sing that right about now. But Burritos, what are you? Are you in agreement with me? Do you think that Rihanna is really, really very much Jamaican and less Bayesian as the days goes by? Sound off below. Number 4, Angel runs. Miss Super Muggle. So Burritos, some time ago I showed you Angel, like she's been entering every single challenge that there is on social media. So this is when she did the busted challenge, they were really, and then she did the walk challenge, and that did kind of, and then now she is showing that she can actually move in her heels. And when I talk walking, this girl is fully Shelley and Fraser style, Veronica Campbell-Brown, 100-meter Olympics and World Championship settings in her heels. Now look at how she says she walks away or runs away from the haters.
People, they're going to show how to run from crosses and bad man people in the ears. Run! Run! In the ears! Run in the ears!
No danger, that take talent. That take talent. Like, I do not know right about now as if you two of them and the big toe and the little toe and the corner and them look something after you go through the whole like this. But no, that is a special skill. A special skill because we used to hold if a girl them can't even manage to walk when they go to club sometime. They must move so like Jesus beam like a 2 left foot them have. So if you can do that and go down a straight line and don't reach a ground, kudos to you, Dangerous. Number 3, gun 13. Mibuyaka. People, oh my God, I saw one of the most disturbing videos that I saw on social media, and it happened basically, I think, you know, a woman in our vehicle with her son, and we don't know what kind of conversation happened, some disagreement. You know how Jamaica go again with road rage, where one motorist accuses another motorist, but on this particular occasion now, the woman in her car with her son, and she accuses off another man in a film van now, and during this, the brother decides to go and brandish his firearm, and boy, no, people, take a look.
Fire it now. Fire it. Mommy done now. See that boy, yeah? Point him me in front of my daughter and my pinny them. That dirty man there. Point him gun off of me and my pinny them. You should have fire. And fire more and fire. Fire more and fire. But I'm afraid of you. Fire more and fire. Fire. So.
I mean, it's just appalling. It sickens me.
You see, when I tell you Jamaica is not a real place, it's because of them something there. Like just like you know that trauma there that this situation brought on to that child. He will never forget this day, you know. Jesus, Pima, even the mother, you cannot push them badness there. You know much people out the road were mental, like literally them head they are this second and gone tomorrow. Things could have totally turned left, and it could have been totally what you call it, like just devastating. It could have ended up make news. Some know you fix, but you can't fix them. Look away when you have your picnic, you have to humble yourself, meek and mild, and you know, go like a one side now and just use it like a quiet library vice, just because you know you have your child there and anything can play these days. Because like Egyptians say, these are some serious times. All I can see is violence and crime. And these people out them are walking around with COVID stress. I don't want them to take out that pan you. Some hopes the child there, him okay, get like a counseling and them like a something there. But like the brother there, you not support. Barry doesn't let me know your thought about this. So please sound off below. Number 2, 1, 2, 3, red light. Oh my God, my HBO, my Cinemax, my late night, my X video. Ooh, wow, like, wow, let me just draw breaks right there. So, Burritos, me I forgot to talk about this right now. This is the truffle conversation that went on the Boy Things podcast. Now, I've been watching that podcast for a little bit. I know I see little things, I don't know, for some reason, I just start to love podcasts these days. And the podcast here, I give me, you know, it like bring back to them like a, you know, like a rather shanty days, the way you just love a little bit of the carelessness, but yeah, you like for learning like something in the meantime. That is what the Boy Things podcast kind of bring. And this particular conversation, now, it was so good because it enlightened me on the whole Jamaica festive, you know, Jamaica go on with the things when I go on with the things them. So this featured a couple, that is 3 people in our relationship. So is this brother and 2 women. Now one of the women, you know, 2 other women, I guess they identify themselves as, you know, like them used to, you know, link with other women, where the people that consider like lesbians. And this brother find him way in the situation. Him is a soldier, and he brought them up one day, then them in a relationship. Now the 3 of them are a part of this throuple, and they are very much in love with each other.
He want kiss in the public, he want hold hand, he want squeeze ass. This man do everything. I don't know why he must see when him look for me, you know. But this is every day. This is every day.
Every day. Us every day.
This is every day. We're like this all the time. No matter feel like
Lord, this episode was entertaining. Please just go and watch this episode. Jesus Pim, if you never know so the little things that are going out the road, this will kind of just like remind you, say Jamaica festive, all and we are going like say we don't know nothing more than mama and papa. I will sit down and we do get up and we just read, we look at English language and we look at maths, and we do look at subject verb agreement. Jamaica we are going with the little things that we are going like so we don't go on with the things them. Okay? Well, anyway, please ensure that you go and watch that video. It's a Boy Things podcast, but they're talking about throuple relationships. Trust me, it's gonna be so enlightening. Okay, and please have a open mind while you watch that too. So now, Burritos, did you go and watch that podcast, and what was your biggest takeaway? Sound off below.
Yo, this is Cass from Trinidad and Tobago, and you're watching the Dutty Berry Show. Bless up. Boom.
And number one goes to Selonie birthday! Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number one goes to Selonie's birthday. Oh my God. So if you don't know Selonie, she is one of the persons who she recently graduated from Donna's program, Antona's charity program. She's one of them personality there where she, you know, the same captivated energy where probably Candy and Barbara and Mackerel and them like a personality there where people just kind of obsessed with them and want to hear what them I say. Selonie around the streets at right now. Recently, she basically made an announcement where says she is going to keep her birthday bash. I think her 52nd or 53rd birthday party, and she's not going to do the birthday regular, so she's going to merge it. So merge the birthday party and our night because...
Ready? Alright, this is Selonie. Remember the 4th of March. The 5th is my birthday, but I keep my birthday on my night. The 4th, that means the next week, Thursday, is my night. Come on, see my night to look. Everybody keep them night when they dead. Me I keep my one when me alive. That's when me dead, nobody keep no more. Just keep set up and bury me. You understand? Goodness is to miss. Remember, right a world boss, and yes, they come shell it. You understand? 100 lane.
And right as Selonie come out in her nice like a shocking color green and something there, promote her big bad party that was to come. Right after that, now Prime Minister Andrew Owens got announced new curfew measures.
I feel away! Somebody can't bring me go somewhere. Wanna go somewhere nice.
Jesus Christ, new curfew measures and all kind of things now that would have boxed out the party out of Selonie's hand. But did you think that the great Selonie was going to care? Selonie said, hey, no. I'm going to put my foot up in the air and dash out on my birthday. And that is what Selonie did. She keep her birthday party. She looked very glamorous like the background when she did the round. And she put on her nice little dress, her little makeup and them little something there, total 99 setting.
Why you them? Big up on yourself and I'm general all who not take no style from nobody, put your pen in here. All who not take no talk from nobody, bust a blank and tell them.
I follow you to the moon and the sky. I must be the one to stand up closer now.
Hey, up here, you! I know boy can't tell you no. Good girl, all you want go on.
I don't know why, well, I did say things I should have Jim Screech at the party, we should keep it. I don't really video, but you know, on social media, go like, yeah, I forgot how to go home. You can't have your birthday party and people and see it live, so the excitement and the festivities, I forgot go on. As Miss Donna say, Mama! Oh, why you're so festive to Rastaja? No, okay, laugh, go. Jesus Christ, I can't catch it. All me and try to catch Miss Donna laugh. It's like my voice too deep, and I just can't catch it. I need for work. Somebody can't really trade me, forget the Miss Donna laugh. Me and try to get it. I give up, honestly. So that is all of the things that Selonie go on with. Like Selonie look good, man, like she come right out. Worse like how she have her new teeth, the dentures, them is like it just give her one youthful glow about now. And I just hope that the people that are around her, them are really have govern her management and really ensure that them not really take from her, them are really build woman, and that her son will hopefully become her manager. Okay, so that is it, burritos. That's it for Selonie. Let me know what you thought about her birthday party and her pictures. Did she come right out to you? Did she look nice and clean? Sound off below. That's it for this week's social media countdown. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please to hit the like button. That give me a like, as well as to leave a comment down below and let me know what was your favorite part of the social media countdown. Do not forget to share the video with your friends or your family, anybody as a matter of fact, and as well as to subscribe to the channel. If you are just seeing this on a long time, you're watching and not subscribe, please to subscribe and join the Burrito gang. Also, you can follow me on my social media at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, all over. And if you want to advertise within the social media countdown, send me a quick email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Alright, so take care until next time. Ta-ta!
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on, it missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you for tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, empower all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me, how I me not the week, yo, just tune in, zine.